Riri. Bo, you little weasel. Riri. Come here. Riri. No? Bo. It's like in a farm movie with these little bad boys. Isn't that crazy? The wheat is now ready to go. Cook it. Easy to grab. I'm trying to videotape. There we go. We got something smooth now. He's bored. Focus. Kadima, rapes. Focus. Kadima. What is this fucking noise? I just heard a kitty. Meow. Namir, what are you doing? Garden. What are you doing here? Hi. Good morning. Little Namir, say hello. Are you saying hi? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Here, you're sitting on the vegetables. You don't understand, you cutie tootie? Oh, you're so cute. Seriously, look. Oh, you're such a cutie tootie. Meow. Meow. Can't get enough. This is the sweetest kitty ever. Good. Booty scratch. He got all of his love he wanted. Now he's going back to his garden spot. Oh, you are so cute. Oh my goodness gracious, Namir. I really don't care. Look at how fucking cute this is. He's digging in the little dirt with his little cutie tootie paws. Namir, I love you. Meow. This is one jealous dog. You are one jealous man. I played with the kitty for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Maybe more. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh. Do you see that? Rory. Oh, I just want some love. Guess what? Goodbye to this little fucker. And hello to this one. Yeah! A la ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Yeah. Woohoo! Now we're gonna have icicles. Yeah. So while I have the chance, I'm gonna show you guys what a fucking boiler is. Now, there's no such thing as constant running hot water here. You have to turn on the boiler, and this is the boiler. So this one broke, this huge contraption. Now we got a freshie. Freshie. So yes, this is Ron Chuk, our neighbor. But this little motherfucker, you gotta turn on, and then it's gonna bring you some hot wana. Yeah. Cool, very cool. It's like in a farm movie with these little bad boys. Isn't that crazy? The wheat is now ready to go. Look it. Easy to grab. I'm trying to videotape. There we go. Oh, you cutie. Charlie, why are you camera shy? Don't be camera shy, Charlie. Oh, you're so camera shy. Look at you. Charlie, you're handsome. Miko! That's Miko for you. Nahon, Miko. Hi. Yeah? Oh, Miko.
Wait,
So,
wait.
we are here in Israel. Wait, why are you going to Russia?
Because in Israel, I want to see. Now, we'll go to Taylor House.
This is our moose
And
shop.
see the
That's so
installation.
cute. Zoom out a little bit. I just want to see the fields. Wow, that's crazy. Miko. Miko. Oh my god. Just for you guys to enjoy. Come on, get your holy shnikes. Oh my Lord Jesus Christ.
Layman's terms, professional exotic dancer. You know, you still got agents and stuff like that. You make sure.
Yeah, that's gotta hurt. Oh my Lord. Holy moly.
I think her nipple is... Kera! Kera!
Wow.
Kera!
Oh wow, that's some nice Kira.
Oh, Kera! Kera!
Oh, popsicle time. Very nice. Tada. As a kef.
Kera!
Now we can have as many iced coffees as we want.
Kera!
And you can come over and have as many coffees as you want. We're always gonna have icy.
אתם מוזמנים.
נכון?
יאללה, בואו.
Wow, as a kef. I still don't believe it. It is here. תודה, אבוש. German. This.
בצורה שאני חי אותה המאה זה יעשה אותך בריא שחרר את זה, זה יפתח לך בראש, שחרר את זה, עושה לך טוב, שחרר את זה, איך עושה את זה, זה טוב.
I don't know. He's being crazy. Oh, crazy German.
He's eating some.
What are you doing, Ruri? Asian persuasion, German Berman. Those teethies. This is an accident waiting to happen. Oh, jeez. Ruri? Look at those teethies.